To adjust objects on guns, you need to first click the gun, then go to the Materials tab. With the gun still selected, you need to enter Edit Mode. To do this, click the Tab key or go to Object Mode at the top left and switch into Edit Mode. Now the object I will show how to adjust is this scope. What I will do to the scope you can do to anything on the gun. In the Materials tab, there is a box with all of the materials for the gun. You need to find the material assigned to whichever object you will be editing, like I do. Click on a material, then click Select to see if it's set to that object. If it is, it will highlight the object. Keep searching until you find the material. If the object you want to change does not have a material on it, then just hang on. I will show you towards the end on how to hand select it. Once you have your object highlighted, you need to select the Move tool on the left toolbar. This is how we will move the object from its set place. The red arrow means it moves forward and backwards. The blue arrow is up to down, and the green is moving left to right. Now that I have showed how to move the object, I will show how to hand select the object. While in Edit Mode, to hand select the object, you need to enter the Face Select mode by clicking the number 3 key, or at the top next to Edit Mode, select the third option. Now zoom in on your object, then hover your mouse over a face, and click the L key to make that part highlight. Keep doing this on all of the faces on your object until it fully glows. Another faster method I like to do is clicking the Select tool at the top left, then click the W key to use the circle selector. It's almost like a brush. You can adjust the radius to how much you want to select, etc. Then to use the brush, you need to hold left shift and drag your left mouse click over the parts you want selected. And let's say you selected a part you want undone. You can either do Ctrl+Z, or you can enter the Select tool and hold left shift and click the face to unselect it. And that's it. Leave any questions in the comments and be sure to join the Blacksite Discord for exclusive tutorials and gun support.